Xiamen Geno Industry Company Limited is a professional supplier in healthcare and fitness products, was set up in 2005. We locate in beautiful city in South China, Xiamen City. Our company vision is to relax the life. Mission is to be top leader of healthcare and fitness products and bring health to human being all over the world. Our cooperation factory provides all kind of OEM and ODM service. Our main products include massager, muscle massager gun, cervical spine massager, foot massager, leg beautifying massager, massage belt, massage cushion, eye massagers, vibrating foam roller, aroma diffuser, humidifier. Due to high-level R&D department, our products are warmly welcomed by customers and enjoy a high reputation in international market. We focus on the quality in every procedure from design and development to production. Our service include, but not limited to, logo print, label service, customized packing. We are always promising 1-year quality guarantee. We exported 40 countries all over the world. We set up own brand Geno and support customers who want to sell online, such as Amazon, eBay, Auto, Wish, Flipkart. Also, we have established stable cooperation with many distributors or retailer in the world. We sincerely welcome customer visit us and hope to establish long-term both-win business relationship. Let's work closely to develop more amazing products to meet market demands.